FIFA has a problem, not with the goals, with what happens after. A player scores, the crowd explodes, and for about 10 seconds, something completely uncontrolled happens. The celebration. For most of football history, nobody cared. Players could do whatever they wanted, run to the corner flag, jump into the stands, take their shirt off, point at something nobody else could see. FIFA mostly looked the other way. Then it became a problem. In the 1990s, players figured out that a goal celebration is the most watched moment in football. Billions of eyes, zero filters, and some players started using it to say things FIFA absolutely did not want said. Shirts came off, and underneath, messages. Political messages, personal messages. Players turned goal celebrations into press conferences, and FIFA had no script for it. So in 2004, FIFA drew a line. Shirt removal became an automatic yellow card. Doesn't matter why. Doesn't matter what's written underneath. Take it off, get booked. Simple. In theory, this was about wasting time. In practice, it was about control. But players adapted. The shirt stayed on. The gestures started. Military salutes, political symbols, silent protests, and FIFA kept writing new rules trying to keep up. The Turkish national team did it in 2019. Celebrating a goal against France, Turkish players dropped into a synchronized military salute, a direct reference to Turkey's military operation in Syria. UEFA opened an investigation within 24 hours. FIFA condemned it publicly. The footage went everywhere. Precisely because FIFA hated it. Here's the thing nobody at FIFA seems to understand. Banning a celebration doesn't delete it. It amplifies it. Every single time they've tried to erase a moment, that moment got bigger. The shirt rule turned Brandy Chastain's 1999 celebration into the most iconic image in women's football history. Not despite the controversy, because of it. And in 2022, Dibu Martinez won the World Cup Golden Glove and celebrated in ways that made FIFA visibly uncomfortable. They demanded an apology. He didn't give one. Argentina kept the trophy. FIFA can write all the rules they want, but they haven't figured out how to control a player who just scored in a World Cup final with 80,000 people screaming his name. The celebration FIFA tried to delete from history. They tried. It didn't work, because some moments are bigger than the rulebook. If you want more stories FIFA doesn't want told, subscribe. New video dropping soon, and trust me, it's just as wild as this.